So Lagna in Kala, Moon is in Ghoramsha, Mars, which is again an important planet in this chart, that is in Deva. It means recovery is there. It means you can suggest some remedies regarding Mars and Vishnu, Jupiter.
सब वही blessings भी हैं.
Jupiter. Even Sun can also give. You know what remedy we have suggested this person? This is very interesting. Okay, Sun is in Payodhi. What is the meaning of Payodhi? Anybody know? What is the meaning of Payodhi?
Jal, water, sir.
Water. Anything else? Payodhi.
समुद्र.
पायोधी सर जिसकी कोई लिमिट्स ना हो, जिसकी गहराई को जाना ना जा सके.
सर ओशन लिखा है, 58 नंबर है. ओशन लिखा है,
क्षीर सागर.
58 बेनिफिट. राइट,
मिल्की ओशन.
राइट. अमितेश जी ने ठीक कहा.
सर जल का काम है, सर जल का काम है पोषण करना.
जल का काम है पोषण करना, नरिश, एंड इट कैन डिसॉल्व एनीथिंग. It can dissolve anything.
हाँ सर, जल का काम है साफ करना.
Okay, see, Payodhi have a different meaning. Water, simplest meaning. Okay, water, ocean, or something which is not in the boundary.
To wash away.
Okay, ocean is not in the boundary. No? You can't create boundary on the ocean. And also Payodhi means it can dissolve anything. If good, it can dissolve. If bad, it can also dissolve. Anything can be dissolved.
Flow में बह गया वो.
बह गया.
पानी के flow में बह गया.
And Payodhi contains the tattva of water. Okay, so we have suggested them to worship Agasthya Rishi. You know why?
कैसे सर?
सर उन्होंने जल पी लिया था ना समुद्र का.
In Jyotish, we consider Sapta Rishi. You know the importance of Sapta Rishis, everybody, I think.
Yes.
But do you know Sapta Rishi is also a nakshatra?
Yes.
तारा मंडल बोलते हैं ना, क्या वो 7 नक्षत्र हैं?
Constellation. Yes.
If those are nakshatra, so Agastya Rishi 27 नक्षत्र में कहाँ आते हैं? Kashyap is also Sapta Rishi. Jamadagni is also Kashyap Sapta Rishi. Vasishtha is also Sapta Rishi. Then where are these rishis in our nakshatra scheme? In these 27 nakshatras we have, no? If you include Abhijita nakshatra, then where is Agastya, Jamadagni, Vasishtha, Kashyapa, Attari, Gautam?
तो चार स्टार्स एक साथ होते हैं और उसके सामने जो 3 होते हैं वो आते हैं सप्तऋषि.
नहीं, वो तो डायग्राम तो मुझे भी पता है, बट ये ज्योतिष में कहाँ, ये चार्ट में कहाँ है? ये कहाँ पर है चार्ट में?
ये पूर्व फाल्गुनी में क्या सर? मतलब
पूर्व फाल्गुनी में नहीं है. एवरीथिंग इज गिवन इन ज्योतिष बुक्स ओनली, बट वी आर नॉट रीडिंग इट. दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम. नाउ आई विल टेल यू अबाउट द अगस्त्य. ओके, बट डोंट आस्क मी अबाउट एवरी ऋषि. Maybe in some other session we can do it. In Brihat Samhita, Varamihir says, whenever Surya transit in Hasta Nakshatra, okay, Agasthya Rishi arises, or Agasthya Nakshatra arises. And you know what is the property of this Agasthya Nakshatra? Rain will stop. Mahendra sir, देखो ये important है. This is regarding the weather.
No, sir. I'm listening.
Okay,
Yeah.
so in Brihat Samhita, there is a complete chapter on Varsha.
Ji.
Okay, so there Varamihir says, this is with respect to Agastya Rishi only. So whenever sun transit in Hasta Nakshatra, they say Agastya Uday. Agastya Nakshatra Uday. Okay, the result of this is rain will stop.
Rain.
It will destroy the rain. Or in other language, they say Agastya will stop the what we call the muddy rain. Rain में मिलावट हो जाती है ना, वो कीचड़ मिला हुआ जब बारिश होता है, तो उसको रोकने के लिए अगस्त्य आते हैं. And Agastya Rishi, there is a story behind this. There is one story. Agastya drank the whole ocean. So the controller of that water element that is under the Agastya. we have a 5 elements, but Rishi we have Sapta Rishi. There are 2 more elements in it that we don't know. Okay, that is coming under the spirituality part. Okay, but every Rishi is holding some element. Agastya is one of them, which is actually holding a water element. It's not like Agastya is born in some nakshatra, so that nakshatra is ruled by Agastya. No. Agastya is born in particular nakshatra. What does it mean? It means that nakshatra is still there. Na? That nakshatra belongs to some other rishis also. Agastya is the lineage of that rishi. Na? Are you understanding what I'm trying to say? So, like this, every Sapta Rishi, every rishi is present in our zodiac belt. So this is a hint given by Varamir in Brihad Samhita, sorry. Like this, every rishi is given. So when we say Sun is in Payodhi, okay, Sun is a ruler of 3rd house here, is sitting in the 9th house with Jupiter in Payodhi. It means Sun is a planet which actually holds the capability that it can dissolve any kind of problem in this chart. Jupiter is having Vishnu Tattva in it, Vishnu Amsha. It is a benefic Amsha. Okay, you can do some remedies regarding the Vishnu, either some remedies regarding Vishnu, but Payodhi is more better than this. And Agastya Rishi is also showing the Tattva of Vishnu only. Okay, so the remedy is whenever Sun transit into Hasta Nakshatra, when this Agastya Udaya happens, at that time he can visit Agastya Ashram. There is a temples of Agastya. There is a mountain denoted by Agastya Rishi.